Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0010S, in color code 001. It's a black color frame. It has a rubber temples with the green and red detailing and the Gucci logo on the side. These frames are made in Italy. The lenses are a gray color. And it has a Gucci logo on the right lens. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.